In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find a submission ID in Jotform so you can identify and reference individual form submissions. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace, then select My Forms. Find the form you want to check and click Submissions to open its responses in Jotform tables. In the Submissions view, click Columns in the upper right corner. Scroll through the list of available columns and enable Submission ID. The table will update and display a new column containing the unique ID for every submission. If you want to view a specific submission, click on its row in the table. You'll see the submission details, including the submission ID. To use the ID elsewhere, simply copy it from the table or the submission details and paste it wherever you need it, such as when contacting Jotform support or referencing a particular response. That's how to find a Jotform submission ID. Thanks for watching.